Ooh, the first food that I ate when I came back to the States was actually chicken cutlet parmesan. It's one of my favorite meals to have, so cooked that up for myself.
I had probably a steak.
Popped open a fresh jar of salsa, got into the chips, and went to town.
What was the first food I ate? I don't know. Maybe a burger? I don't know.
I don't remember what it was. Probably breakfast here.
I don't know. Probably pasta.
Well, I think probably like a nice big steak or something like that.
Oh, I'm Mexican food. I'm a huge fan of Mexican food.
A burrito from Cafe Rio was definitely the first thing that I ate.
I had to go find some good Mexican food when I got back to the States.
Mexican food.
When I returned home, Costco pizza.
First thing, ice cream. I ate ice cream. I was staying healthy when I was off and about competing over in Pyeongchang. As soon as I got back, it was just ice cream for days. What's up?